What's up guys?
Oh,
Welcome to the podcast. So ngayon pag-uusapan lang naman natin yung latest news about Gilas na what do you call this? The inclusion of Troy Rosario sa ating Gilas
yeah.
Pilipinas. And again, di naman niya first time to sa Gilas eh. I think yung last niya was during 2021 during the SEA Games then obviously nagkaibang ano 'di ba mga choices over him. Pero welcome back to Troy Rosario and I think gets rin naman namin ni Mario or natin lahat din for those who follow Philippine basketball ang bakit na-include si Troy Rosario.
Yeah. Like, gets naman natin lahat bakit. Okay. First of all, agile wing, kahit pa paan, agile wing slash big. And second, and most important, third na lang yun. Yung second point is, he has the skill naman. He can rebound the ball. He can hit the three. Good enough for Gilas, I guess. So, he's been good enough for Gilas before pa. But
Mhm.
the third and most important, and probably the reason why he was really taken this year to replace Kai and KQ is because he is finally on Coach Tim's team. And I think if you don't admit that, if people don't admit that, you're lying to yourself.
Oo. I mean, the reason ngayon na may fast track rin si Troy Rosario sa Gilas is because yun nga, nandun na siya sa Hinebra, alam niya yung sistema. And
Mm-mm.
kung nakikinig lang kayo sa mga press conference si Coach Tim, he is, ano tawag dito? Very against starting from scratch.
Yeah, he hates it.
Pag ayaw niya,
Yeah,
parang for him, nagre-regress lahat yung
yeah.
buong team. If the thought of a guy na hindi niya pa nahawakan,
Well,
papasok niya sa
exactly.
Gilas, 'di ba? Sasabihin niya, oh, you're starting from scratch, you only have a small window, which gets natin.
Gets natin. That's why he also has Japeth, right? Alam naman natin yun. That's why half of the team is made up of Hinebra. Not half, let's check. Brownlee, Scotty,
JB.
Javeth, Maya. Four.
Wait, wala naman si Jeremiah Gray sa ano,
I know,
Gilas.
Jamie.
Jamie, Jaime. Ay, Jaime. Jamie.
Jamie,
Lahat
yes,
na mix na.
Jamie.
Jamie, Jaime. Na mix
Jamie,
na. So
yeah.
that's four, Jaime. Pero di ba yung mali sa Jamie at ano?
Yeah,
Jaime
so,
Malonzo.
alam
Yeah,
naman
Jamie
natin na
Malonzo.
yun. Hindi naman tayo nabibigla sa ginagawa ni Coach Tim. And I'm not gonna say na Troy Rosario will do bad. I'm fairly certain he will do well naman. It's just with the players you lost Kai Soto, who is a 7-footer, and you lost KQ, who is admittedly not really being used, so that doesn't matter that much. Pero at this point, feeling ko baka ibabad pa yun si Troy.
Babad. Feel ko di naman siya ibababad. I don't think
Feeling ko
mabababad siya.
ibabad siya.
Feel ko mga 10 to 12 minutes na yan si Troy. Kasi wala namang, cause KQ doesn't get, di naman nabababad si KQ eh, nung Gilas.
Yeah, pero yung Kai Soto part yung medyo different here.
Unless, and then, kasi may AJ Edu eh. AJ Edu's healthy. Naglalaro siya ngayon sa
Oh yeah,
B-League.
AJ is healthy, you're right.
So,
AJ is
I'm just expecting sprinkle lang na minutes si Troy Rosario. He's just gonna get the minutes of, ano tawag dito. Siguro if Kai gives you 30 minutes a game, Edu will maybe take 22 kasi
20.
alam naman na 20-22.
Yeah,
Tapos siguro kay Rosario nga 8 to 9.
yeah.
Ganon.
That's not bad. I mean, for a replacement player, pwede na yun. Pero, my thing is, was was Troy the
The
best
perfect,
option
was he the
to
best
replace
option?
these guys, right? For me, personally, no. Ayun, straight
Okay,
up.
you start it off, you start it off, you start
Yeah.
it off.
For me, straight up, hindi. I understand it. I understand why he was the one included. But now part of Coach Tim's system, understand Coach Tim's system very well. And to be fair, is playing well under Coach Tim's system. Pero he's not that big. Okay? Let me just search KQ's height. I'm not super sure din. Kevin Kiambao height. Alam ko kasi yung kay Kevin Kiambao is around 2.0, 6'7". He's the same height as KQ. Pero malayo siya kay Kai. Understandable naman yun. Malaki si Kai Soto eh. Pero may mga ibang tao in the league who I think could have been better. And one of those people is Justin Baltazar. Yun
Okay,
talaga,
Balti.
yun talaga yung akin ah. Um, I I would have preferred to see Balti. Balti is 6'9". Okay? Balti is 6'9". Balti, I think, is a better defender, which you will need more. Kasi naman, what guys, what Kai Soto brings is the defense at the rim. So I genuinely believe that Baltazar is a better rim protector um than Troy Rosario. Maybe laterally mas magaling si Troy, pero that's not what you need if you're Gilas eh. Lakas nung wings ng Gilas eh. Lakas ng guards ng Gilas. You need somebody to funnel it in to defend, to block the shots. And I think that is what Balti gives you more than Troy. Second, mas offensively gifted si Balti. Um, Balti has a very good mid-range game. Balti has a very good jumper. And
Second
kahit
instinct
pa,
to yung putbacks, yung mga second
yeah,
chance opportunities.
yeah, and kahit pa paano, in his first 5 games with Converge for 6, he started to find his rhythm and he's looking really good now. Diba? So that's one of the people who I thought could have been instead of Troy. I know you have some, right?
Yeah. So number one mo si ano 'di ba, Balti. Number
Balti.
sa akin, siguro not a popular choice amongst people or siguro ano tawag dito, medyo niche yung pick or rather ito yung tipong kung nag-follow pa kayo ng Tab Baldwin Gilas, William Navarro.
Yeah, Will Navarro. Very
Will
good.
Navarro kasi younger, way higher basketball IQ. Same build as Troy Rosario. Yung advantage ng so far ni Troy Rosario kay William Navarro is that Troy knows the system already. Nandun na nga siya sa loob. Again, at yun ang advantage ni Troy sa lahat ng mga bibigyan namin pangalan, no? But it's more of mas iba yung versatility ni Navarro. Nakikita natin ngayon sa Northport. There's a reason why they're number one. Maraming reasons but number one ang Northport ngayon sa PBA. And isa sa mga rason doon is William Navarro or Will Navarro.
Uh,
So, yun yung choice ko rin na sana
yeah,
na consider.
yeah, and admittedly, doesn't Will Navarro kind of play um the Joe Devans of for Coach Tim? Yung tipong kaya niyang mag-facilitate, mag-score, mag-rebound. A really good fit as well. I think he's a bit shorter if I'm correct. Will Navarro.
6'5", 6'6", mga 1 inch, ano lang yan? 1 inch, two
He's six
inches.
six.
Oh, 1 inch na lang talaga eh.
Yeah. So 1 inch shorter than Troy, pero I think again more defensively adept
Yeah,
for your
six foot
team.
six nga. FIBA height
More
niya 6'6"
nakita ko rin.
si Will.
Yeah. Again, like more I think defensively adept for your team. Parang not bad to replace between Troy and Will, pwedeng pareho. Pero William Navarro, I think, it needs to be one of the Gilas people, di ba? Because he's young. How old is Will? Will is 27. Will is 27 years old. How old is Troy Rosario?
32? Troy Rosario age. 32, 30. Yeah, he's 32.
32. Dude.
He's turning 33 pala this year. January 20. In 5 days.
Ano?
It's his birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Troy.
In 5 days.
Yeah.
33. Pero 6 years gap.
Yeah. Like that's big. Kasi, again, if you want to talk about continuity, why not start now? Diba? You have the
Navarro.
opportunity with Will Navarro, who I genuinely believe will be in Gilas sooner rather than later. That's another one. Another one for me is this one. I understand why it wouldn't be him kasi
Yung
not
kay
really
Balti,
known.
sabihin na natin, ito let's be honest, no? Si Balti may politics reasons yan, guys. Alam
Yeah,
namin, hindi kami tanga ni Mario
yeah.
regarding why Balti is not being considered.
Or
Maraming
stop.
layers, diba, sa
Or
Philippine
heading.
basketball. Pero in a perfect world, matagal nang nakuha si Balti. In a
Guys,
perfect world.
in a perfect world, um, what's his name? Balti,
Baltasar. Si Balti.
Jordan, and Alex Stockton are all Gilas players.
Heading? You're talking about Jordan Heading, right?
Yeah, Jordan. Yeah. Michael, no. Jordan
si
Heading.
Michael.
Yeah, Jordan Heading. All three of them should be Gilas players. Pero yun nga, may politics or whatever. Don't really want to get into all that. Alam naman natin yan. Hindi mo tayo tanga. Again, but then, going back to another person who it could have been, it could have been, very much could have been Arvin Tolentino. Who?
Yes, it's another one.
Again, I understand it. More offensive minded si Arvin Tolentino. Pero again, is Arvin Tolentino not in the plans for continuity? How old is Arvin?
He's 29. 1995 yan eh.
You know what? Never mind. That he is kind of older. But like, for these moments, you'd be surprised Arvin is not representing Gilas anymore. He is 1A, 1B, best forward in the league right now with locals. Everybody can agree to that, diba? It's him and Calvin Oftana. So, why not use Arvin Tolentino right
Pwede mo
now?
siya pang-rotate nga kay Calvin eh.
Yeah,
Kasi parang so far the Calvin experiment with Gilas is just alright.
tax lang, yeah.
Tax lang.
Tax
So
lang.
why
I
not try
understand.
experiment? Like try mo
Uh,
if ano,
put
plug
one in
and
the corner.
play. Parang ganun eh.
Put one in the corner. If he misses the three, sub him out to the other. one miss allowed. Palit ka na agad. Pero like more offensively, again, I understand this one why. If you prefer defense over offense, gets ko yung Troy Rosario. Pero again, Arvin Tolentino is somebody people have been clamoring for din in Gilas to be part of. And this was your opportunity if you coached him. And di natin masasabi na um, hindi niya alam yung sistema ni Coach Tim. He used to play for Coach Tim. He was Coach Tim loved Arvin Tolentino. I forgot. Oh, it was for C-Stand nga pala. No? Shit.
Kaya di mo ano, C-stand yun eh. Di ba
That
Northport
was for C-Stand.
C-stand nung... Oo.
It was Arvin and forgot who. Ay, Arvin and Prince Caperal for
Si Prince
C-Stand.
Caperal. Shit,
It
nalala mo
was,
si... When Prince Caperal was ano, hyped when he was
yeah,
with
yeah.
Ginebra.
Wait, don't forget when Bubble Prince Caperal.
Ayun, may bubble
The
Prince Caperal.
Bubble Prince Caperal was most improved player over Aaron Black. Don't you dare.
Tapos wala na siya sa liga, no? Nasaan siya ngayon? MP?
Abra.
Abra
Abra
MP?
ata siya, Abra. Oo. He was with Mac, I think. Anyway, so Arvin and then one more. Zave Lucero.
Yeah, Zave
Again.
Lucy. Pero yung issue naman kay Zave right now is the passport. Wala pa tayong proof na local siya.
We.
Wala pa.
Di ba yun din yung issue kay QMB?
Yun din yung
Yeah.
issue kay QMB, more of wala pa tayong actual proof na
Yeah.
napapakita. Wala pang again, we're just basing this off the articles, no? Like the articles sabi na eligible siya. Pero kahit sino naman sabihin, pwede naman sabihin eligible ako eh.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, hihingi yung
Yeah.
SBP officials. Amin
Yeah.
na para masabit
Yeah.
na namin.
You know, I was told Jordan Clarkson was a local. But for 10 years, I believed. And Jordan does not produce a
They really
single
tried.
passport.
Pero ang totoo doon, they really tried to argue mas sa local, pero wala
Wala siyang
silang
passport.
before 16.
Yeah, wala
Meron na
siyang
siyang passport,
16.
pero wala siyang passport before 16.
Yeah, I mean, that's it. That's plain and simple. And that's the rules. Wala tayong magagawa. So yun, if Zave could have provided, I think there were options outside of Troy, who, if they gave their passports, would have been a better fit. Zave, Mike Phillips maybe, QMB.
Si Mike Phillips naman, mukhang pa lang, wala ring proof as a, na nakuha niya yung proof niya, tawag dito, as a local. Ano pa lang siya eh, sa SEA Games pa lang naglalaro or Asian Game. SEA Games pa lang naglalaro si Mike.
Yeah. Sorry. Si Pico.
Ayos ang gamit eh.
Gagawin bigla siya naman sila kasi, oh shit. Anyway, so yeah, again, I understand, to sum it up, kasi wala nang ibang maisip. I
Yun,
understand.
konti lang naman yung choices eh. Hindi naman
Yeah.
tayo in favor expanding the pool to 30
We
or
weren't naman saying
35.
we weren't naman saying na he doesn't deserve it. Or we weren't saying na di siya magaling. Magaling siya. Deserve niya. Pero, again, there were other people who I truly believe would have been better picks. That's all that I have to say about it. No matter what though, I will be supporting the team. If Coach Tim believes Troy Rosario is the key, outside of Kai Soto and KQ, who am I to say anything else, diba? Pero ayun nga, I think I'm not the only one in the whole Philippines who has thoughts na there were other people who could have been outside of Troy Rosario.
Yeah. And yun wala naman tayong more of hindi naman sa super against tayo, but it's just okay, may ibang options. And for the sake of this podcast episode rin naman, you guys could also share sino tingin niyo yung mga ways na pwede natin consider. I'm sure may iba magsasabi dyan, uy, nakalimutan si Matthew Wright. Diba? May mga ganun eh. Meron pa rin tayong mga Matthew Wright or Ray Parks. Pwede rin si Ray Parks.
Oo nga,
pero,
no? Medyo nakalimutan ko rin si Ray.
I think, yeah. So yung mga viewers natin, mga lesson. Sa Japan, he's still doing well. Nagoya. Parang Nagoya ata yung team niya.
Oo nga pala si Ray. Sorry, medyo
He's
matagal na
doing
siya.
really well in Japan. Alam mo
That's
yung
good.
tipong na maaasahan mong 13 to 14 points a game.
Uy,
Kaya
pwede.
ganun.
I miss Ray Parks. Ray Parks, you know what? If you
Pero
wanna come
medyo,
back,
pwede, I mean, gusto ba ni Coach Tim ng gano'n, ano? Like, again, maraming i-consider eh.
yeah,
Maraming
yeah.
i-consider eh.
But man, hey, if you wanna come back to Gilas Ray Parks, I am in full support of that.
Pwede mo
I
siya i-mix with CJ Perez, no? Like, oh, if
mm,
CJ's, like, Trevor Ray Parks or, ano, Matthew Wright or,
yeah, I believe you could. I believe you. He can fit anywhere. There was a time he was the focal point because nobody else would want to play for Gilas.
anong year yun? I remember that, oo nga, no?
Yan yung
Na
time
parang
na,
Kiefer Ray Parks yun eh.
yeah, Kiefer Ray, SJ Dwight lang yun eh.
Yung napag gusto maglaro for
Yan
Gilas.
yung walang may gusto maglaro
For
for Gilas
top,
eh.
hirap na hirap ako kasi
Oo.
top the players.
Oo, yan yung time na yun kasi ayaw magbigay ng secret, ayaw magbigay ng gano'n. Pero there's some
Pero
people,
United na tayo ngayon. United na tayo
yes,
ngayon.
that is, I mean, I mean, United to the extent that you can be. I still want Converge on the
Hindi,
team.
si Converge nagsabi, si Converge na mismo nagsabi na they're willing to lend. Jacob
Yeah,
said na sabihan nyo lang kami. Nire-release namin lahat yan.
ano, willing to lend nga pero may gusto mong kunin ng blank.
Ah,
Gusto ba?
feeling si
That's
Stockton lang
because
naman yung gusto nila. Stockton heading lang naman yung dalawa sa Converge. Sobrang out of the...
Balti?
Ay, sorry, yeah, I forgot. So, it's Stockton heading Balti. Arana is
Yeah.
out of the
Arana hindi. Feeling ko
equation
hindi. Gets
because
ko naman.
he's just too small sa international game.
Yeah.
Imagine mo, ay sakto sinabihan ni Coach Tim na he's too small.
Masyado maliit to.
Yeah, get.
So
So,
Coach Tim
by
said
that
that Isaac Go
statement,
was too small.
by that
Isaac Go
statement,
is
alam mong,
6'7".
ano eh, alam mong wing si Troy eh. Hindi siya gagawing big eh. Kasi
Oo.
that was super counteract what he said
Oo.
kay
Kasi
George.
they're the
Tapos
same
gawin mo
height.
big? Oh, so kaya
They're the same
sabi mo
fucking
lang
height.
kay Go, he's too small. So
Tapos
the fact
talaga
na,
yung whatever.
but yeah,
Whatever.
pero that makes sense. Mas consistent nga. You know na Troy will be used as a wing
Yeah,
sa
as long as he does
Gilas.
it, that's fine.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I doubt he's gonna be this big. So now your bigs left are AJ Edu and
Junmar.
Junmar Fajardo
Japet. And
and
Japet. Our
Jack
favorite.
Aguilar.
Your favorite pala. Your
Yeah.
favorite.
Guys, hear me out. Just consider it. Brandon Ramirez. Put him
Ay,
on Gilas.
Phil Canadian, I don't think may
Ay, gagi hindi
passer
siya
kaya.
pwede.
Parang hindi rin, hindi ako sigurado. Yun yung mga di ka rin sigurado.
Oh, if anybody from NLEX is watching, please play Brandon Ramirez more.
What
My
is the
my
SEA Games? May
goat.
SEA Games ba this year?
Yeah, sure. I'm not.
Check
I'm
lang
not.
natin. Wait
I
lang, check
only
lang
find
natin.
out if ever they'll put
SEA
him in.
Games. Meron 2025.
Ay, meron. Baka
This
pwede.
is in Thailand, 2025. It's gonna be
Baka
December
pwede.
7 to December 19. Now, I'm thinking
Pwede.
kasi, kung mag-experiment ka ng New Gilas players,
Put in Brandon Ramirez.
pero
My
to be
boy.
honest, do you think Coach Tim would put this same team in SEA Games? Parang,
I
he's not
mean,
gonna risk it.
yeah, I doubt. I doubt. Well, yeah, I mean, to be fair, in the SEA Games, mas lenient sila eh.
Mas lenient
Eh,
niya sila.
oo.
So,
Kahit sino pwede maglaro basta may passport ka ng
may passport
Philippines.
ka na.
Let's put in Stan Hardinger, Stanley Pringle.
I doubt C stands.
Yeah, he's done.
He's done.
We're gonna
He's
play
done.
every single Filipino, with every single person in the world with a passport. We're gonna have the multitude of Clarkson, Brownlee, Boatwright.
Clarkson, Brownlee, Boatwright, Anch. Local
And,
si... That's three locals kasi local si Brownlee, local si Boatwright, local si Anch. Clarkson's the import.
Clarkson considered
Hindi,
local
considered
under
na rin,
C.
di ba? Sa
Oh,
C.
considered local siya sa C. Oh.
Kulang sa
Yung
budget
fifth,
yun, bro. Yung buong budget ng team, doon na sa apat tayo.
nga. Tapos ano pa, welcome to Gilas, Mikey Williams. Ay, share ko lang, Mikey Williams.
SGA,
Welcome back. Welcome back, Mikey.
Try natin mag-react to some games or let's stream the games. Let's just be live. Like, mga good games. Like, sabihin natin Al Riyadi versus SGA. Stream natin. Pwede yun eh. You can stream it because there is on YouTube.
Overrated.
Arakji over. Pero I don't... No, Arakji is not with Al Riyadi na. He's with the Dubai team of...
Ay, the Dubai team that doesn't play 30. Yung hindi pa naman si 30.
So, doon na si Arakji.
Play my boy 30 Ravena. Basta,
anyway,
if all I know is if the Philippines are out of field, then all Phil-Am lineup is gonna be the best Phil-Am lineup in the world. It's gonna be crazy.
Yun yung gusto ko tayo follow no, para start yung SGA games. I wanna see how Mikey is.
Oh yeah, dude, it's been a while. It's been a while since we saw
a year and a half, no? 2023 pa siya, ano eh, yung last
year and a half pa lang ba?
Oo, 2023 lang naman yun eh.
Talaga ba? Kailan ka ba nagpakasal? Di ba
Oh,
2 years ka na nagpakasal?
yeah,
Dude!
2023.
Wait lang medyo
A
nawawala
year,
yung brain. 2025
Mikey.
na nga pala.
Oh,
Ah,
2025 na, 2025 na.
My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. My bad. Okay.
2023, Mikey.
Yun yung time na
April 2023. Yung wedding ko, April, May. The month after pa.
ah,
So, tama nga.
basta naalala ko nun, alam ko naglalaro siya for TNT nun kasi yun yung time na sobrang sakit ng paa ko. Tapos naglaro pa ako ng basketball kasama mo at si, I think his name's Jose or
Oo,
Jero.
tapos nagka-gout ka ba nun?
Mm-mm. Yun yung time na sobrang sakit ng paa ko. I was like, hindi ako makagalaw gagi.
Ah, that was April, no?
Oo, yun yung sabi ko.
Sa
So,
Phil Oil pa tayo naglaro, tapos wala
oo,
pang ano, tapos wala
walang
pang
aircon.
aircon. Grabe yun, nagka-cramps na. Wow.
Putik, solid nun. Di ako makagalaw ng buong katawan ko.
Pero grabe yung depth perception in an arena, no?
Yeah, yeah, it's
Alam mo
different.
yung it's the same, pero pag tumitira ka, kala ko sakto, airball.
Hindi ko alam, di ako
Iba yung
makatira
depth
nun.
perception. Iba yung depth perception, di ba? Like when you're there, pati yung free throw, para ang layo.
Bro, I wouldn't remember. I played for like 2 minutes before I had to sub myself out because I couldn't move for my life.
Kala mo ba kaya ipilit yung gout?
Sabi ko,
Hindi,
let's
kaya ko to.
go!
Ay, di,
Tangina.
yun yung first time mo magka-gout. First time
Yun
ever.
yung first time ko
Kaya
ma-react.
pinilit mo. Sabi, di dapat.
Kala ko napulikat na sprain lang or something. So, yun pala.
And then Jose's
Anyway,
like, no, bro. Hindi ka.
yeah.
No.
Jose was like, yo, look how fat your foot is.
Anyway, sorry naging ano na tayo, naging personal kwentuhan na. But yeah, guys, let us know kung, I mean, yeah, I'm sure karami naman dito okay with Croatia. But if ever,
Yeah.
in a perfect world, sino yung mga candidates nyo for wings na pwede i-consider ng Gilas? Now, who knows, diba? Baka mangyari nga. Anyway, for
Yeah.
those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Mario, may sasabihin ka ba? Bago natin to i-end.
Uh, what else do I want to say? Just a random insight. Guys, may UAAP 3x3
Ay, oo.
in like I forgot when it was, like February, March or something like that. Keep up with that. There, if you want to see the young talents of each school, usually kasi yung 3x3 ginagamit nila pang like training ng tao or pang develop ng players or minsan dyan sila bumabawi. Like last year, I think KQ played for DLSU. uh, something like that. Basta. So if you guys miss some of your UAAP ballers, you will be able to see them in the 3x3 circuit. And at the same time, the UAAP volleyball na rin. This isn't really a volleyball channel. But if you, for those people who are into UAAP, marami pang sports this upcoming semester.
Yep. See you guys next time. And baka upload ko na to. Kaya ba?
Yeah.
Aga pa naman eh. Upload ko
What time is
10:30.
it? 10:09? Yeah.
10:09, 10:30. Sure
Yeah.
na to. Parang quick digest lang lang for the guys. See you guys. Peace.
Yeah. I love you, Brandon Ramirez.